think their face is probably really hot. Yeah, where are they standing? It's very interesting. The exhaust dome comes down in a very tight pattern.
Good.
So I guess they're about right behind it.
They put
my dad was at a power plant. At a power plant in Toledo, and the jet engines on those that run the turbines, do the whole thing. They're freaking like the actual jet engines, like the pumpers from the plane, even bigger.
Jesus.
They're so loud when they start. It's like.
Yeah, it's pretty loud over here.
I would not want to be behind that.
They actually phone that catch on fire.
Yeah, good.
Like Cloverfield boys?
Yeah.
He's just like, what are you doing? I can understand if you're like jogging or something, but like just sitting here walking, it's like you shouldn't be like. Yeah, I know.
All the way.
It's pushing my breath into my face.
You're wasting all the space in your phone.
I don't care. I still have like 4 gigs left. It's pictureception! I know!
Sucked into a turbine and this vest held him from like going.
Oh my god, dude, I would be scared.
Something like that.
I'm so glad I got that on video. Oh my god. Oh my god, you missed it. That was awesome.
You get a video of that?
Yes, I got that! I just look how he's just like tumbling! Oh my god!
All the way!
I can feel the heat!
Yes.
You feel it?
That's not from that, dude.
Are you sure?
The wind's going that way.
Well, it's getting warm. Either that or I'm just really cold and it's getting warm because I'm cold.
I can wear a jacket. You can buy like 10